The app we're going to do this week is for science, and it is called Powers of the -10 Cells and Genetics, and it's the bottom row in the centre there, the human hand. So if we click on this one, this will take us to a home page which looks like this. This one you can zoom in just by pinching and clipping, so we can zoom in to see the skin. And you can rotate around just by moving your finger around on the iPad. You can zoom in past the skin, similar to the one bones that I showed you a few weeks ago. This one's probably a little bit better because it's actually got games and challenges, so the kids can go through and they can search just by stopping it and zooming in. So they can zoom in inside the cytoplasm. You can then zoom in inside. You can see there we're in a chromosome, and they can click on anything and it'll actually stop and it'll tell the kids what they're actually clicking on. So histones, and then you can actually zoom in right in further, and you're now in the DNA. And again, you can click on the different points here of the DNA and they'll tell you what they are. So you can see the different molecules within the DNA there. Other parts of this, so you can zoom into a few different parts here. So if we go into something different, let's go into in there. So you can see, you can click right on the cell nucleus and you can go inside the cell nucleus. You can go inside the cytoplasm. Done that again. The other good part of this is that you can actually go to the challenge, and you'll see the challenge in the top right hand corner here. So there's labs and there's challenges. So if we go to the lab in the top right corner there, and you can do challenges here. So again, challenges in the top right corner. You can see on the left hand side, these are the things that I've actually found within the cells. So I've still got a few to go, polypeptides, helicase, a few other things to go there. And if I click on challenges, these are the different challenges that I can go through. So let's do the cell parts challenge. Shouldn't be too difficult. So the question is down the bottom there. Round bubble-like part of the cell, it's the same kind of cell member. And we drag across into the cell and it'll actually place it there. You've got a minute to do it, minute 20 to do it. If you get it right, it'll add 10 seconds. If you get it wrong, then it'll actually take off 5 seconds. So instead of cell nucleus here, so you can see it takes off 5 seconds for each one we get wrong, and if we get it right, it'll actually add 10 seconds to our time. So once you get these right, once you go through them, so once we get it right here, it'll go through a video just showing you the cell and all the different parts of the cell that you've put in. And kids have to actually get a certain amount of points to be able to complete these challenges, so they have to explore the cells first. So you can see replay, or you can go back to the lab, or you can restart it. So if we go right back through it now, this app costs, I think it costs $1.99, so not too bad for $1.99. Gives the kids a bit of an in-depth look at cells and genetics.